Hey, welcome back, guys. My name is Charles, and I'm trying to start something. I'm trying to start a review, kind of like a piano tutorial review. So, I think this is my first video, and I want to review the tutorials others have done. What was the name? So, I just came to YouTube and then I just searched. So, I'm just picking the first 5. If you don't fall in the first 5, there, Charlie, I won't review your video. It won't be as extensive as I want it to be because I have a very short time. So let's pick this first one. So the name of the channel is what's it called? GH Piano Voice and GH Piano. Okay, GH Piano Voice and GH Piano Voice. Let me pick it one by one.
That's for the first.
Let me pick it one by one. GH Piano Voicing. Okay, let's go GH Piano Voicing. So what am I looking for? So first of all, like, I want to see people actually doing the tutorial in the original key. If you don't do it in the original key, like, I don't even regard your tutorial as a tutorial. I mean, that's just me. People know me already, and people actually don't like me. So I'm the same Charles of Piano Freak formerly. Right now we've discontinued Piano Freak, so yeah. So it's basically the same person. So if I do something and I'm too harsh or something, I mean, don't be too surprised because it's the same person. So now let's just watch this intro and see. Let me see what I think about this. I think number one, I like this guy's tone. He selected a very good tone. I don't know the keyboard he's using. And then the second thing is he's actually playing the intro correctly, and he's playing it inside the key. So for the intro part, that's okay. It's very good.
Hello.
Okay, and I like the fact that he has broken the thing into parts. Okay, so when he takes the tutorial, like very short, that he just plays the intro and then he breaks, then he explains it, right? So I think this is where he's explaining the intro and all those kind of things. He has a very good, nice way of explaining. For example, that's a B flat 7, and he's explaining this a B flat 7. So you're using a B flat 7 to replace the 3, right? That's smart. I like some new things that he's teaching me, right? I'll personally play like a normal C-sharp 7 with a 3 on top, right? But he's actually playing a B flat 7, which already has the 3 on top. So I think it makes sense. Like I like his style. So I'm learning something new from him, and I like the way he teaches. So GH Piano Voicing, I think I have a lot of piano channels to review. Yeah, I think this is it. This is good. Let me see the main progression. Let me see. Okay. Nice. 1 flat 7, a 4, back to 1. I like the whole latido movement. So kind of like he's trying to move from like the B flat to C to C sharp, right? So but he played it in this way. He played it from the root. No, he played it from the 5 to like the 6, then to the 4, right? So he's actually playing a T do re or something like that. I like that. That's it. 4, 2, 1, 5, 1. I like that. I think this is okay. So me, I'll give number 1 for being very straight to the point and choosing the correct tone. I mean, I like this. The only thing I don't like about the video is the piano thing up here, the virtual piano. I have my own reservation about the virtual piano thing, right? I hate it to the core. This is the reason why I hate the virtual piano. Okay, I think I'll do a video and then explain why. Yeah, but all I'm looking at is just his hands and then what he's playing. I like how he moves. The way he nailed the kind of music. Like let's watch. So that's okay. So like I like that. Yeah, he nailed the thing. I think I'll give this guy like 9/10. Come straight for it, like 9/10. That's a good job. That's a good job. Nice job. His name is GH Piano Voicing. Oh, I think I even already commented. Oh, nice. Let me subscribe. Okay, and then turn on notifications. I mean, today I'm praising you. Tomorrow, if I bash you, don't be angry with me, Charlie. I mean, that's how it is. Okay, let's go on to the next one. What is the next one? This is Center of Piano Lessons. I think this is Mr. Nat. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. So Mr. Nat has the other guy, the piano voicing guy, had I think he had 17 minutes, no, 12 minutes, and Mr. Nat has like 19 minutes. Let's see. Okay, so Mr. Nat is choosing this route. Number one, Mr. Nat, nice video, next level. I see the video on top, and I see you playing this one. I don't see any virtual keyboard, smart guy. So now, this is what is happening here. Mr. Nat played the intro exactly like it is in the video. So he's trying to run along with the video and make you. Okay, one thing I like about this video is like he's trying to give you some realistic approach to this particular thing. There are certain times you hear some chords and you hear some intros. I mean, you want to relate it to normal. Like, you don't actually have to do it like perfectly, right? Like, what is the most realistic way to do? That's what I like about Mr. Naz. Like, he gives you the most realistic ways to do certain things, and he did that here. Like, very smooth way to play the intro, and then a tone that's very common for every. I think he's using one keyboard like that. I mean, this is a cool thing. You see how? I mean, just this first chord, he's playing B flat diminished 7, right? B flat diminished 7, so tan 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 tan, all those kind of things. This is cool. Let's see. Yes, he did the left hand movements. That's a plus. And then he continued with the right hand and all those kind of things. So da 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 da. Like, that's a very realistic move because we are used to that kind of flair, right? So I like that. Nice. Okay, so he's continuing. He's making you see like how the whole song goes, right? So that he can start teaching. I think his approach to it is very good. So that if somebody already understands, so me like this, when I come here, I won't wait for the explanation part. So within the first 5 minutes, I think it's a smart thing Mr. Nat is doing, because now within the first 2 minutes, I can watch what he's playing and I'm done. Do you understand? So I can leave. But somebody who needs an explanation, he has a whole 17 minutes to explain the whole thing. But he has used the first 2 or 3 minutes to play the whole song. And somebody like me who understands, I know what he's playing and all those kind of things, I can learn it within 2 minutes and go. So I mean, that's a smart way to do that particular thing. So now Mr. Nat has actually catered for 2 customer segments. That's my review on this one. So he has catered for people who already know how to play the keyboard and don't need too much explanation to watch the full 20 minutes video. So in the first 5 minutes, Mr. Nat is playing the whole thing for you to just so that people who can just watch and play, can just watch and play and go. I like this one. I like this style. Hey, Mr. Nat, hey, piano, hey, Charlie. I like the whole concept of harmonization he's using here. He's just running diminished 7 from the 5, 4, and 3, down, like that. So B diminished 7, then he will run another thing, then he will put the 4 on top, then he will put the 3 on top, like that, and all this kind of thing. Like I said in the previous video, like I'll play a C sharp 7, like C sharp dominant 7 to harmonize the 3, and that's what he's doing here. I think it's cool. I think maybe we think the same. So this is the only place I'll beat Mr. Nat, because now if there's, you see, there's something about Ghana music, right? And there's something about music in Ghana, especially local songs. You see, you have to find a way to abuse fee. Do you understand what I'm saying? Like, when you know you are going to settle on soul for more than 1 or 2 seconds, just find your way to fee before that soul. I mean, if you do a run to it and all those kind of things, so that's the only thing. That's the only. I mean, his video is perfect, but I just wanted something to beat him for, that's all. Like, I mean, the fee, abuse the fee for me, Mr. Nat. Just abuse the fee for me. Thank you. I'll give Mr. Nat 9.5 over 10. Perfect. I like that. I didn't actually check how he teaches the other ones, but I've gotten mine from it. Within the first 5 minutes, I can just look at what he's playing and understand and go. But I'm sure, like, I've watched a couple of his tutorials, so I know.
Whole intro, there is nothing else. Okay. So then the progression starts.
Okay, I think now he's teaching and all those kind of things. He's even doing it in 3 keys. That's impressive. I mean, I don't like it for him to do it in any other key than the original key, but I mean, that's his choice. That's smart. And he did all this in 90 minutes. Oh, Charlie, I'm impressed. Charlie, I'm moving you from 9.5 to 9.8. Perfect. Okay, now let's do this. Let's do this third guy. What's his name? His name is Danny Keys Official. Okay, I don't know. Is there a difference between Johnny Keys and Danny Keys? I don't know. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so first of all, I won't even waste my time to rate the video. Good job done. I like that. And all those kind of things. I like that. But I won't hear a song in C# and come and see a tutorial in F. I won't do that. So, I mean, I won't rate the video. Whenever songs are done in the original key, I can do a rating on that. But good job. All those who want to keep playing their F and all those kind of things, this is the video for you. But me, I'm not interested. Like, I don't like it when the song is in B flat, but the tutorial is done in F. Like, I'm not a fan at all. So I won't give it any rating for people to come and insult me. No, I'm not giving it any rating. So I won't rate this at all. Okay, so let's go to the next one. What's the next one?
Hello everyone. I'm
okay.
Manuel Keys, and
this is Manuel Keys. Manuel Keys is one very powerful guy on YouTube, like next level guy. Okay, so first of all, what I don't like about this video is very simple. Now, I personally don't care about the notes, right? I care about the notes and the hand playing the notes. That's why I hate virtual keyboards. So anytime you bring a virtual keyboard, don't prioritize it. Let us see you actually playing the keyboard, right? Down there, and the virtual keyboard on top, like what the first guy did, right? I will completely ignore the virtual keyboard and look at your hands, because now, if you are learning certain things, the way the person is playing and the fingering positions, it will help me learn the thing faster and better. Because if somebody is playing pentatonic and all I'm seeing is the thing reading blue to red, which hand should I use? Should I use my pinky, or should I use the thumb, or should I use what to play? Do you understand? So that's why I always encourage people that, in as much as virtual keyboards are good, it helps you see the notes. I want to see your hand. That's my whole beef about virtual keyboard. So again, I won't rate this video. I won't give it any rating. If I see a keyboard video, then I think I'm going to rate it. Good job, Mr. Manuel Keys. Good job. And what's the next one? The next one is Piano Lessons Hub. Let's see Piano Lessons Hub. Okay, he has a cover art at the top here, and I think okay, I don't know. Number one, the video is not in C#. I don't know if he's playing F or C. I think he's playing F. And the pace kind of seems faster than the song. I mean, I won't even start rating this for people to come and insult me, so that's okay. What again? This is Johnny Keys. Johnny Keys, my man. Johnny Keys. Okay, let's see Johnny Keys.
Hey everyone, this is Johnny Keys coming at
Johnny Keys, bro. Full. The whole Ghana, like nobody feel compete plus Johnny Keys when it comes to bro. Like Charlie, I've got to bro. Okay, so what is the same reason I can't rate Johnny Keys video right now, because I can't see the keyboard. I'm only seeing the virtual one. So The next time, Mr. Johnny Keys, I mean, just for my sake, let's just see the hands you are using to play what. So I know I'm supposed to I position my fingers this way. I'm supposed to position my thumb here. I'm supposed to position my pinky here, so that I can borrow some chords from your fingering and all this kind of stuff. Good job. I know. I mean, what? He's a big man, Charlie. Broful. So I can't read this particular video. Okay, I think let me go on to the last one before the video becomes long. Okay, let me look for. Let me reach down. Let me reach down. Let me look for some more keys. If some more keys did it. Adom. Some more keys. I said it. He did. Okay. So now, this will be my last one, and then we'll be done. Okay, now this guy understands the whole local thing. Now, just the inclusion of the E flat major, like just to like harmonize the fee to the G sharp. I mean, this guy understands. So, and he's actually making it very realistic. So he's not even playing the song under. He's actually playing the beat on the keyboard so that it will be more realistic. Because now, when people are singing in the church, they won't be playing the song under, right? So now, what do? The drummer will be playing. So he's replacing the drummer with the styles on the keyboard. That's smart. So big up some, and it is in the original key. Yeah, and the intro is okay. Like I'll give you an okay. So let's see what's
don't look like what I have been through.
So now do you see what he did here? Now he's actually playing a 1 and then he moves straight to like a Z, right? So instead of playing a minor for a 3, he's playing a major. So it becomes a Z, then he goes to a La, and then 7th the La. This guy be senior. I just like this guy. Okay, so now this particular one, Charlie, you people should. I mean, the only thing bad about this video is this guy has my voice. Like, we have the same singing voice. The voice in it, but he also sing, right? So I like the intro he did, and I like his new move. You see, this is what you should be doing. Be borrowing things from. Don't watch one tutorial. Watch different tutorials. You see, we picked a lot of things from different tutorials. Like how this guy just moved from a 1 to a Z, which is basically you are flattening the 6 or playing a major 3 before he moved to a 7th, B flat minor 7. Hey, Charlie. This guy. I just like him, Matter. I just like him. Oh man, B flat minor 7 with this, Charlie. I like that. So even without continuing, Charlie, just this one will let me give this guy 9.5. Okay. So 9.5 over 10. Okay, so I mean, I don't want to bore you too much. It's already 18 minutes into the video. So all too soon, we've come to the end of the first episode of piano ratings, right? I don't know whether to call it piano ratings or whatever, but a correct name will come, right? Okay, I think there's another guy here. Let me see this guy. I think I have 2 minutes more before the thing becomes 20 minutes. Is he doing a tutorial or he's just playing? Let me see. Okay, he's just playing the intro. Okay, I mean, forgive my bad. Okay, I'm already angry because the thing is in F. I'm not interested, so bye. Okay, now I think that's it for the first episode. I don't do ratings. If you want me to rate your video, fine, you can tell me I'll rate your video. I don't do ratings of videos in keys that are not original, and I don't like virtual keyboards. Only if you bring virtual keyboard, bring it on top of the keyboard. Don't show me virtual keyboard. How will I know how to finger or put the how to arrange my positions, like fingering positions, etc. Okay, so I think that brings us to the end. I mean, this one gives us one lesson. It tells us that you should actually watch more than one video to be able to learn more. You understand? God bless you and thanks for watching. Bye.